Let's stare at Tropical Storm Erin and then find the other interesting weather in 2 minutes or less for Tuesday, August 12th. So here's Erin. Looks a little better organized this morning. 45-mile-an-hour winds when these pictures were taken. Forecast to become a hurricane on Thursday. It'll be cool when it gets closer to some ocean buoys. We'll check out the wind speeds. If it hits the U.S., it'll be next week. Look, this is what used to be Dexter, I think, swirling out over the open ocean water. It's near the warmer Gulf Stream, but it's still not expected to develop. Oh, and look at these thunderstorms heading for Milwaukee. Here's radar from Milwaukee now. Gee, that's the last thing they need. They had terrible flooding a couple of days ago. These will get to Rockford and Madison. Here's radar out of Fort Worth, Texas now. Wichita Falls had 2 to 5 inches of rain from these thunderstorms earlier, sponsoring a flood warning up there. And look, you can see an outflow boundary that just blew through Fort Worth. And then there's another outflow boundary here oriented this way. This is radar out of Dyess Air Force Base near Abilene. I wonder when these two outflow boundaries intersect if there will be another round of thunderstorms here. I wondered about the winds. Not that bad, though. Wind gusts in red in miles per hour. It's going to be hot in the corners today. In northern and eastern Maine, well up into the 90s. In Salem, Oregon, up around 100. I'll update you on the extremes across the country in a moment. Instead of having a bunch of tabs open on my laptop to enjoy tracking the weather, this displays updated images to me all day. I get to sit and watch. It's the best hobby in the world. Here are the extremes across the country early today. Almost 2,300 stations scanned, and the strongest winds are not coming from those thunderstorms. Please like, comment, and share. Is the weather interesting today in your area? Let me know. TheWeatherObserver.com.